everybody, thank you for selecting my channel. And today I want to do an unboxing, as you could probably tell by the channel what the purse is. But this is one of the bags that I've been eyeing, and I'm very excited to finally have her in my collection. So I believe this is the receipt. Let me just look at it. Yep, that's the receipt, so nothing new there. Let's just get to it. And I wanted this combination for a long time. I didn't want to settle. So here she is. She is a Pochette Métis reverse monogram. And I love this combination, as you guys know. I have the card holder, the cans bag, and now I have the Pochette Métis in my collection. So let's just look at her. She's beautiful. Where is she made of? I think I see. I think most of these are made in the USA. So there she is, beautiful strap. So I did put some stuff here to see what could fit. Oh, it is made in the USA. Lovely. Okay, so let's see. I have my toiletry 15, which I tend to pack. So that's, you've seen these before. The Eucerin sanitizer, an extra mask. Oh, this is a pen. That's a mask, mirror, my mint, and my pillbox, and some cards in there. My card holder, let's put that in the back. My key pouch, I have some cash in there. I do have a 6 key holder, which I usually put here too. I will be putting here, but it's downstairs. I guess I could put it here. And at the back here, I think I'm going to be putting my phone, so it's easy access. It's very soft in there. It's like very soft microfiber, I believe. And that's it. I could fit a lot more stuff. I just want to pack it. I do have my agenda here. Let me just put it. An agenda. That's it. Gorgeous. Thank you so much for joining me and this joy. So happy with her. Thank you. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe, and I'll share more content.